Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Samnyte Hair Wax Stick, a versatile styling product designed for both women and kids. This 2.7 FLOZ stick promises to tackle frizz, tame flyaways, and create sleek hairstyles effortlessly. The Samnyte Hair Wax Stick is rich in nourishing ingredients, including castor oil, which is known for its smoothing properties. It's marketed as a solution for those pesky stray hairs, helping you achieve a polished look. Whether you're aiming for a chic bun or a polished updo, this stick is designed to deliver smooth results without the usual hassles. In my experience, using the Samnyte Hair Wax Stick was straightforward. Simply glide the stick over the areas you want to tame, and with a little help from your hair accessories, you can achieve a clean, natural style. The application was smooth, and I appreciated how easy it was to use on both my hair and my child's hair. Performance-wise, this product truly shines. It tamed flyaways remarkably well, especially during a particularly windy day. I tested it while creating a bun for a dance recital, and it held my hair in place beautifully without any stiffness or residue. The wax stick provides a flexible hold that allows for movement, which is perfect for dynamic activities like ballet or gymnastics. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Nourishing formula, free from harsh chemicals and fragrances, is a significant benefit. It's cruelty-free and vegan, which many conscious consumers will appreciate. However, while it performs well for styling, it might not provide the same level of hold as stronger gels for those looking for a more rigid finish. When comparing the Samnyte Hair Wax Stick to similar products on the market, I found it to be competitively priced, especially given the quality of ingredients. Some cheaper alternatives might get the job done, but they often contain synthetic fragrances or harsher chemicals that can damage hair over time. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us create more valuable content and brings more beauty lovers like you to our channel. In terms of build quality, the Samnyte stick is well made and the ingredients are gentle enough for sensitive scalps. The user-friendliness is a standout feature. Even beginners can easily navigate using it without any fuss. I had no issues with customer support, as my inquiries were promptly addressed, reflecting positively on the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. I conducted a real-world test during a dance performance, and the results were impressive. The wax stick kept flyaways at bay, and my hairstyle remained intact throughout the event. Since my initial use, I've noticed no significant updates affecting performance, which speaks to its reliability. In conclusion, the Samnyte Hair Wax Stick is a fantastic option for anyone looking to manage frizz and flyaways effectively. It's particularly suited for busy moms and their kids, or anyone who enjoys effortless styling on the go. If you're searching for a long-lasting, gentle product that delivers on its promises, this is worth considering. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Samnyte Hair Wax Stick in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.